Hello, I'm in a 2014 Ford Fusion, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll go right down here, find this release. Should have a little tension, but that pop sound was the safety being released. If there's no tension at all, can't see since this fabric's in the way, but you may need to fish around back behind this to see if there's any cables that are loose or something like that. But now we'll go to the front. And then you can see the hood's a little bit loose now. So that means the safety was released. You can feel. On this Fusion, the latch is over here. Most models of cars, it's somewhere in here, but this one we're looking over here. So we're pushing and lifting. That's it. So that's what it's hooked onto right here. And then that safety is hooked onto that side. And this is that lever I was pushing just a moment ago here to release it. So you want to check for any possible debris or gunk if there's issues here, maybe some WD-40. Same thing, make sure this is good. Also check to make sure all your components are centered and in alignment in case your hood's off. But otherwise, yeah, and same thing, check the safety for that hood latch we release from inside. Make sure there's no debris or anything stuck in here. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.